What's up YouTube? Today we're doing a quick look at two accessories from Caseology. If you are interested in picking this up, check my link down below for the latest and up-to-date pricing. But let's start off with a band, because if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know I love watch bands. And what I really like about this watch band from Caseology is it's a hybrid band, so you get a little bit more comfort thanks to combining two materials. So I already have it installed on my Galaxy Watch here, and it's a nice hybrid of two materials, two of my favorite watch band materials. So you have a silicone part on the outside, and then on the inside you have this nylon material, which is very soft on your wrist. It's definitely a nice material on the back side of any band, and you also do get a premium metal buckle right over here. But I like all the accents that are on this watch band. So I have the nice orange accents all around the band, just giving it a more sportier type of look. It's also going to be durable thanks to combining two materials here. It does use the standard 20mm plugs. I know a lot of you like the Samsung watch bands because they enclose the entire lug area, but a watch generally has the open lugs. If you have any type of normal watch, and I'm going to say normal in quotations, you'll be able to see those lugs thanks to being 20mm. If you do buy another watch or you have other watches in your arsenal, you can go ahead and swap this out with other watches. Changing up the band can also change up the style of your watch, giving it a more traditional type of look on your wrist. Once again, 20mm means if you switch watches later on in the future, this is always going to be with you. So that's what I like about standard 20mm style bands. But this is just a quick look at it, guys. I think it's a nice hybrid material. Definitely feels really soft on my wrist. And I think it's a nice addition to anybody's watch collection. Now the next item that we're going to take a look at is similar to the Spigen Rugged Pro armor that I reviewed a little bit earlier on. I'll link to that video down in my description. But this just gives you a little bit more freedom when it comes to watch bands, because you can see the lug area is open. That Spigen one is going to give you a whole band and protective case in one. As I give you the 360 bird's eye tour, you can see that your screen definitely has a little bit more protection thanks to being sunken in. This definitely gives you a little bit more of a height on your wrist type of look, and I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist in a second. But your buttons are all exposed, so you have no issues pressing any of these buttons. Get a little bit of an accent there, kind of separating those buttons there. Little bumpers on the corner, nice little ridges right there. And for the classic, of course, what good is a protector if you still can't use that rotating bezel? This edition from Caseology takes a little bit more work to rotate this bezel. Unlike the Spigen edition, which really rotated without any issue, this takes a little bit of work to rotate it. That's not a huge deal if you're only putting this on when you're doing some strenuous activities, but if you wear your watch all the time, this wouldn't be a good addition for you. I do suspect, though, you're not going to buy this and keep this on your watch 24/7. That just wouldn't make sense, at least to me. But if you're at the job site or wherever you are and you need to just put this on and protect your watch, some protection is better than no protection. If you're looking for an everyday solution, though, I definitely would check out the rugged armor from Spigen. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description below just because it's a little bit easier. Now, if this does kind of ease over time, I'll let you guys know down in the comments below. But as of right now, again, this is a temporary solution. I don't see anybody wearing this 24/7. I really don't see that. This is more of that temporary solution when you need to really protect that bezel, protect your watch. And for that, I think they did a nice design, again, because it's more temporary than the Spigen edition is, and you can use your watch bands. Again, that's why I like this Volt versus the Spigen Rugged Armor. But you're probably going to pick one of these up if you're going for a massive hike, if you're going maybe on that rafting trip, if you're going anywhere, maybe you're on a job site, and you just want to ensure that you don't scratch up your bezel. You don't want it to get all scratched up or even damaged. So having one of these bezel protectors is the way to go. That's exactly why I use one of these bezel protectors, and you can see it does add a tiny bit of height there, but not all that much. It still sits pretty securely on your wrist. I think this is a nice idea. Now, one of the reasons I personally use these bezel protectors, if I know I'm going to be doing some work around the house, maybe I'm painting, maybe I'm doing some carpentry, maybe I'm out on a hike, maybe I'm anywhere where I might damage my watch. Now, I like to keep my devices pristine. I'm definitely the type of person that likes to keep all of my devices in pristine condition. And if you're like me, I would definitely recommend one of these bezel protectors. I personally prefer this add-on edition versus the Spigen Rugged Armor, which is the watch band and protector in one, because you're free to use whatever band you want. But this is a look at the Caseology Volt for your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.